going to show you how to zoom in the system settings app. First, we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in general. From here, we just click on accessibility, and then we have zoom. Now, here we have some keyboard shortcuts, which we can use control command 8, option command 8, sorry, option command equal, option command minus, and then we have use trackpad gestures to zoom, like this, scroll gesture with modifiers keys on zoom, which should mean like this. This is how you can zoom, pressing control and then scrolling with your finger. Modifier key for scroll gesture, zoom style, and then we have advanced settings as well. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.